Hello and welcome to Bijli Bachao YouTube channel. There are various terms which people use while talking about electricity in regular conversation, the meaning of which you might not understand or how these particular terms impact you. With this video, we will try to explain some of these basic terms which you might use but might not be aware of the exact meaning of the same. Firstly, what is wattage? While buying appliances, many a time you might look at their wattage. For example, you might go for a 14 watt CFL or a 3 kilowatt geyser. But what exactly is watts? Watts is the rate of electricity consumption, just like speed is the rate of distance traveled. As speed is not always equal to the actual distance traveled, watts does not mean actual electricity consumption. The actual number will depend on the time for which it is used. Please note, just like all other units of measurement, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. Now you may think, what is 1 unit of electricity? Just like distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, electricity consumed is equal to number of watts multiplied by time. It is most usually represented in kilowatt hours or kWh, which in daily language is called as unit of electricity, as you might see on your electricity bills. The electricity meter in your house shows the number of units of electricity used or kilowatt hours of electricity used. So how can you calculate electricity consumption of any appliance? This formula shall work in many appliances, but there are some appliances for which it might not work. For example, wattage mentioned on an air conditioner is the value of wattage when the compressor as well as the fan is on. But air conditioners have thermostat that switches off the compressor when a desired temperature is achieved, and it gets switched on again when temperature increases. Similarly, appliances like geyser, electric iron, refrigerator all have thermostats. So the calculation of wattage is not as straightforward for all appliances. What is voltage? Just like water flows from one point to another when there is a difference in the heights of 2 points, electricity flows between 2 points only when there is a voltage difference. Standard voltage in India for a single phase connection is 230 volts and 3-phase connection is 415 volts. This brings us to our next term, ampere. As we mentioned, when there is a voltage difference, electricity flows between 2 points. This flow of electricity is measured in ampere. Ampere is the rate of flow of electricity. That is why when you have to buy a wire for your house, you should go for a thicker wire when the value of ampere required is high, and thinner wire when value of ampere required is low. How is wattage related to volt and ampere? Wattage of an appliance is directly related to voltage and ampere. The formula is wattage is equal to power factor multiplied by voltage multiplied by ampere. In a residential connection, the value of power factor is quite close to 1. Now, as the voltage is constant, that is 230 volts, the number of amperes is more if the wattage is more. That is why you need thick wires for an air conditioner. We will explain more about power factors in one of our future videos. These were some basic terms related to electricity which will help you understand our other videos. And if you have any doubts or queries, visit our website www.bijlibachao.com and use the comments section to ask your questions. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get updates about our future videos.